Hi, today we're going to unscrew the minION flow cell from Oxford Nanopore and see what's inside. So we've got some screws here, so I'm going to unscrew them one by one. So let's go. Okay, I have removed all the screws. There's one here, but I will remove this later. So let's see. So this is the back, and yes, we can remove the back now. Okay, so this here what was inside. Okay, so right, so normally, so this is where we load the sample, and this is where we load the other fluid. So it goes, so this fluid, yeah, how it goes, right? Okay, anyways, so inside here we have this rubber thing, and then we have this chip-like thing. So this is the main flow cell. Wow, it looks cool. Yeah. Wow, it looks nice. And this is all the electronics on the back. And so that is the main bed. Yeah. So, and so this is, I think, for the fluid to go in. So I can't open it. I'm gonna try to open this. Yeah, nothing. Yeah, so it has some. Yeah, probably I have to separate these. Let me take the other screwdriver. It's hard. No, I can't do it. Probably it's been glued, so I can't separate them. Maybe here. No. No, it looks really hard. So it definitely has been glued together. So there's no way I can get in. I'll try with a different one. Oh no. Oh. No, it's really hard. I don't think I can go in. No. Okay, so this is all what's inside a minION flow cell. Thank you.